If you're a YouTube Music Premium member, you can enjoy music offline by downloading your favorite songs and videos to your mobile device. This means you can keep listening to your favorite artists even if you're not connected to the internet or want to save on data. There are two ways to listen to music offline: through your offline mixtape and by choosing specific playlists, songs, or albums. To turn on offline mixtape on your mobile device, tap your profile photo. Tap Settings, select Downloads, toggle on Download Offline Mixtape. Once turned on, your offline mixtape automatically downloads music based on your listening history. If you don't like a song in your offline mixtape, you can remove it by swiping to the left. Your offline mixtape music selection is refreshed every 24 hours when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Note that when you reconnect to the internet, some content may no longer be available due to content changes or restrictions made by the video creator. The second way is to download individual playlists or albums within the YouTube app. Tap the download arrow on the album or playlist details page. You can download individual songs by tapping the menu icon and tapping Download. The number of songs you can download depends on how much free space is available on your device and the length and quality of the files you are saving. To limit the number of songs for your offline mixtape and choose between audio or video downloading, tap your profile photo, then choose Settings, then Downloads. And that's it! Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.